Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. And if you read the title, you kind of know what it is. Today we're going to unbox what's in this thing. Haha. So let's open it up and see what we have. Oh, and we are going to do a little bit of a review at the end as well. Alrighty, so you open this puppy up. There we go. Okay. So what we have here, what we have here is a packing slip. We have, the item itself and a box. So in here we have the Osmo Pocket 3.5 adapter. Sorry, Osmo Pocket 3.5mm adapter. So what does this do? Well, I'm going to tell you. This helps to connect external audio to the Osmo Pocket. And I'm going to show you how that's done. But first, let's see what's inside. So open this thing up. It has, there we go. It has a couple staples in there holding this thing together. And it has a nice little Ziploc baggie. You open that up. And it also has a little bit of instruction in it. From what I understand, not a whole lot of instruction, but enough to get by. There we go. That was harder to get into than what I thought. All right, so what we have here is a little adapter, which has your USB-C on one end, 3.5mm on the other. It has, in this same bag, like I said, a little mini instruction booklet. Very, very little, which would be great for my old eyes. Okay, so we have, see, 1, 2, 3 pages of instructions. Everything else looks like the same 3 pages in multiple languages. Yep, the exact same 3 pages over and over and over again. So, this would be interesting. So hopefully it'll tell you at least enough to get you started. I'm not going to read this whole thing, even though it's only 3 little pages. I might need a magnifying glass because very, very super small writing. So let's see what we got. Now the adapter does go on the end of the bottom of the Osmo Pocket. Put that in there, make sure it's nice and snug. Then you attach a microphone. Now, just so happens, as you saw one of my previous videos, you saw me opening and reviewing this item. And it did come with a microphone. So, we're gonna go ahead and pull this off. We're gonna put this on my holder adapter, which by the way, I do have a review coming up for that, so stay tuned. Put that on there. Actually, I want to do it towards me, so I can go ahead and test it out. There we go, just like that. Then I think they call it TRS TRRS. I gotta look that up. I'll put it down here somewhere. I think it's called TRS plug. It's the plug that has the 2 rings on it. And I'll put a little close up on there so you know what I'm talking about. It doesn't work with the ones that has the 3 rings on it. And I do have an old lavalier microphone here as well that I'm going to test out at the end of this video that only has 1 of those little rings on it, and I forget exactly what that's called. I think TS, TR, anyway. Only has 1 little ring on it. I don't think that's going to work, but I got this years ago for like $5 on clearance, so I'm going to give it a shot. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in on the bottom. Turn it on. Hope it doesn't explode. And, oh, it's not exploding. That's a good thing. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this outside and we're gonna give it a test. Okay, now here we are with the internal microphone on the Osmo Pocket. Now it is a little windy out here, just a slight breeze. So you might have a little bit of background noise, you might have a little bit of wind noise. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and switch it over to the boom mic, the shotgun mic. Now for those of you who are on headphones, be careful. I'm going to be plugging in the adapter and you might have a pop. Okay, now here we are with the shotgun mic at a 10 dB gain. So you should hear an audible difference. I'm going to turn it down to a 0 dB gain just to see if there's a difference. There we go. Okay, 0 dB gain. So it might be a little quieter, but you should still have better audio. Now, let's go in and see if the lavalier mic would do any different. Testing external microphone 1, 2. Test check 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Testing 1, 2. Well, as you just saw, the lavalier microphone did not work hardly at all. So I did check the audio right before I did this ending, and it didn't do very well. Okay, which I didn't think it would, because it's the type where it only has that 1 ring on it instead of 2. So I don't know if I can get an adapter, like an adapter cord or adapter plug, or if I'm just going to go out and get a lavalier microphone that has, the 2 ends on it, the TRS or whatever it is. Again, I'll put it down at the bottom, that you're supposed to be looking for. Or if I'm going to take this lavalier microphone, which I can't show you right now, but it has the XLR end on it, but I think you can get an XLR end to the 3.5mm adapter that has the 2 rings on it. So I'm going to check into that as well, see which one's cheaper. Maybe I'll do them all and then go ahead and see how they are done. But I don't have the time to do it right now. I wanted to get this video out real quick to show you that the DJI 3.5mm audio adapter is out. And does it work? Does it not work? That kind of thing. Now, of course, what you did see is as I'm walking around with this Osmo Pocket, I did have this in the corner of my screen. So that was a bit of a bummer. So I'm not sure how to alleviate that other than maybe just use the onboard audio for talking towards me and then plug this in when I want to talk to somebody in front of me. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with it and see what we have, because on the adapter that I have, or the holder that I have, I can actually turn this thing, woo, what happened there? I can actually turn this thing around and put this on the other way. So sorry about the fuzziness for a second there. I'm not sure what my camera was doing there. It kind of caught something that I wanted to refocus on, so sorry. But anyhow, this is the real quick, real fast unboxing and quick review of the DJI 3.5mm Osmo, no, that's not it. Yeah, Osmo Pocket adapter, audio adapter. So Please give us a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Check back. We are going to have other accessories that we're going to review and look at. And as always, have a great day. Dusty, you're loud. Yes, you are. Okay. Well, shh. You got to be a little quiet, sweetie. I am videotaping. Yeah.